A very good morning to all my dear ones. In the last class in science, we have completed the first chapter, which is about living things and non-living things. And today we are going to discuss the exercises. So now we can take page number 3. In page number 3, you can see 2 questions there. Fill in the blanks. So we'll read the first one. Dash things grow. So you can write the answer there. Dash things grow. Is it living thing or non-living thing? Second one. Dash things do not move. Living things or non-living things? Hope you have completed. Shall we discuss the answer? The first one. What is the first question? Dash things grow. Which things grow? Living things. So the answer is living things. Second one. Dash things do not move. Which things do not move? Non-living things. Now you can take page number 4. We'll do the first one. Tick the correct option to complete each sentence. So there you can see 4 sentences, and for each sentence there are 2 options. So what you have to do is you have to tick the correct option. So I'll read the question, you can tick the correct option and we'll discuss the answer. The first one, plants are living things, non-living things. You can tick the right one. Second one, a tiger is a living thing, non-living thing. The third one, a table is a natural thing, man-made thing. The fourth one, the sun is a natural thing, man-made thing. So hope you have completed. So shall we discuss the answers? So the first one, plants are living things. The answer is living thing. Plants need air, water and food to live. So they are living thing. The next one, tiger. A tiger is a living thing. Plants, animals, all are living things. So the tiger is a living thing. The next one, a table is a. The answer is man-made thing. It is a man-made thing. Is it a living thing or a non-living thing? It is a non-living thing. And it is made by the people. So it is called man-made thing. So the answer is man-made thing. The last one. The sun is a natural thing, man-made thing. It is a natural thing. It is found in the nature and it is the gift of the nature. So sun is a natural thing. And is it a living thing or a non-living thing? It is a non-living thing. Okay, then we'll move on to the next one. Here you have to write yes or no for the question. So you have 3 questions here. We'll read one by one. Okay, the first one. Do all living things need food? You can write in that space yes or no. The next one. Can a stone grow? Yes or no. You can write in that space. The next question. Is car a living thing? Okay. Shall we discuss the answer? The first one. Do all living things need food? Yes or no? Yes. All living things need food. All living things need air, water and food to live. So the answer is yes. The second one. Can a stone grow? First of all, stone is a living thing or a non-living thing? It is a non-living thing. Do non-living things grow? No. They do not move or they do not grow. So the answer is no. The third one. Is car a living thing? Is car a living thing? Do it need air, water or food to live? No. Car is a non-living thing. So what's the answer? The answer is no. Car is a non-living thing. Moving on to the next exercise. Answer the following questions. So you have 2 questions there. The first one. Name 2 living things. You all know what are living things. So you can write 2 examples for living things. The second question. Name 2 non-living things. You know what are non-living things. So write 2 examples for non-living thing. Hope you have done with the answers. You can discuss the answers with your parents. Moving on to the next one. Here you can see some pictures, and under each picture you can see 2 boxes. So what is the first picture? It is a picture of a top. So first you have to see whether it is a living thing or a non-living thing. Okay, if it is a living thing, you have to write L. And if it is a non-living thing, you have to write N in that box. So first what you have to see? You have to see whether it is a living thing or a non-living thing. If it is a living thing, you have to write in that space L. And if it is a non-living thing, what you have to do? You have to write N in that box. Next you have to see, you can see one more box there. There you have to see whether it is a man-made thing or a natural thing. If it is a man-made thing, you have to write letter M. And if it is a natural thing, you have to write letter A. So this is how you should see all the pictures. So first one we'll do. First one, it's a picture of a top. Is it a living thing or a non-living thing? It is a non-living thing. So you have to write which letter? You have to write in that box letter N. And next you have to see whether it is a natural thing or a man-made thing. Is it a natural or a man-made thing? It is man-made thing. So you have to write there M in that box. Likewise, you have to do for the rest of the pictures. So you can do the second one. What is the second picture? It's a picture of a fish. So 2 boxes are there. First you see whether it is a living thing or a non-living thing. Then see whether it is a natural or man-made thing. Okay. The third picture, it's a picture of a kite. See whether it is a living, non-living or man-made or natural, then you can write there. See the last picture, it's a picture of a tree. So hope you have completed. So we'll discuss the answer. So the second picture is fish. So fish is a living thing or a non-living thing? It is a living thing. So in that box what you have to write? You have to write letter L. Then see whether it is a natural or man-made thing. It is a natural thing. So you can write it there letter A. So the next one, kite. Kite is a living thing or a non-living thing? It is a non-living thing. So write N in that box. Then is it a natural or man-made thing? It is a man-made thing. So you can write letter M. This next one, the sun. Sun is a natural thing? Sun is a living thing or a non-living thing? It is a non-living thing. You can write letter N. Then is it a man-made or natural thing? It is natural. So which letter you have to write there? You have to write letter N. Then the last one, it's a picture of a tree. Is it a living thing or a non-living thing? It is a living thing. So which letter you have to write? Letter L. Then the next one, is it a man-made or a natural thing? It is a natural thing. So you can write it there letter A. Moving on to the next exercise, you can see some column and you have to tick the right one. So there are 3 things given. The first one, ants need air. Do ants need air? Yes. So you have to tick there because they are living thing. Next one, eat food. Do ants need food? Yes. So what you have to do? You can tick in that column. Next one, grow. Do ants grow? Yes. You can tick there. The next one, move. Do ants move? Yes, they are living things, so they move. You can tick in that column. Next one, have young ones. Do ants have young ones? Yes. You can tick there. So ants are living thing or non-living thing? They are living thing. So you can tick in the column living thing. So like that, can you do for the next 2? Next one is books. You have to tick the right one. For plants also, see each column and tick the right one. Okay. Hope you have completed. We'll discuss the second one, books. Do books need air? No. Do books eat food? Do they need food? No. Do they grow? No. Do they move? No. Do they have young ones? No. Why? Because they are non-living things. Non-living things do not need air, water or food to live. So the answer is non-living thing. So where I have to put the tick? You can tick in non-living thing column. The last one, plants. What about plants? Plants need air? Yes. Plants eat food? Do they need food? Yes. Do plants grow? Yes. Do plants move? Only the part of the plant move towards sunlight. We discussed that only the part of the plant move towards sunlight. Like other living things, plants do not move from one place to another. Only the part of the plant move towards sunlight. So you can't tick there. The next one. So do plants have young ones? Yes. Plants produce from seeds. So you can tick in that column. So finally, plants are living things or non-living things? They are living thing. So the answer is living thing. So moving on to the next page. Here you can see two pictures. So in the first picture you can see a little boy throwing stone on a bird. Is it right? Yes or no? Is it right? No. You can tick there. So is it good to harm anyone? Harm a bird? No. It is actually a shelter for that bird and you are not supposed to throw stones on that bird. Okay. See the next picture. A hunter is shooting a bird. Is it right? No. You can tick in that no column. Why? Are you supposed to hurt anyone? No. Next is an activity for you where you can see two pictures. You can join the dots and color the pictures. Then you will get one is a living thing and one is non-living thing. So we have completed the exercises of our first chapter. We'll meet in the next class with a new chapter. Till then, bye.